The supergroup Archaeplastida includes these organisms. The supergroup Opisthoconta includes animals, which would be us. The supergroup Excavata includes these organisms. Now, there is some drama here. I believe that the evolutionists, in their attempt to make everything gradualistic, has kind of forced groupings to give a unified approach to the eukaryotic evolution. And in your book, they ultimately show all of these coming from a common eukaryotic ancestor. Your book also says that some of this is very difficult to decipher. So it would be interesting to look at this lineage of eukaryotes in the light of monophyletic, polyphyletic, and paraphyletic ancestry. Let's do that together.